If berberine is giving you severe stomach cramps, bloating, or making you run to the bathroom more than usual, don't stop taking it yet. You're likely just making one of these 3 common mistakes. This Berberine belly is real, but it's often avoidable. Today, I'll reveal the exact protocol to fix it. If you see me for the first time, I am Dr. Muhammad Ali, and this is MEDISPHERE channel. First, let's understand why berberine belly happens. Berberine is incredibly powerful. It works by altering your gut microbiome and slowing down the absorption of sugars and fats. This rapid change can sometimes shock your digestive system, leading to gas, bloating, and yes, even diarrhea. It's not necessarily a bad sign, but a sign your body needs to adjust. The number 1 mistake is taking too high a dose too quickly. Many online sources recommend 1,500 milligrams or even 2,000 milligrams per day from day 1. This is often far too aggressive for your body to handle. Tip number 1, start low, go slow. Begin with just 500 milligrams once a day for the first 3 to 5 days. If your body tolerates it well, then you can gradually increase to 500 milligrams twice a day. Listen to your body. Some people might only ever need 500 milligrams daily to see results. Mistake number 2 is the dreaded empty stomach trap. Berberine significantly impacts blood sugar. Taking it without food can cause a rapid drop in glucose, leading to discomfort, shakiness, or even more digestive upset. Tip number 2, always take with food. Aim to take your berberine dose about 15 to 20 minutes before your main meals. This allows it to start working on blood sugar absorption as food enters your system, smoothing out the digestive process. A small snack like a handful of nuts is also enough if you not having a full meal. Finally, mistake number 3, ignoring your gut health. Berberine is making significant changes to your gut environment. Without proper support, it can lead to an imbalance, intensifying side effects. Tip number 3, introduce probiotics and fiber. Consider adding a high-quality probiotic supplement at a different time of day than your berberine. Also, ensure your diet is rich in fiber. Think fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These help nourish your beneficial gut bacteria and can significantly ease digestive discomfort. Remember, a healthy gut makes berberine much more effective. Before you implement these tips, it's crucial to understand that berberine isn't for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, children, and individuals with specific liver conditions should avoid it. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on other medications. If symptoms persist or worsen, please seek medical advice immediately. If you found this information helpful, like this video, subscribe to MEDISPHERE for more evidence-based health tips, and share your berberine experience in the comments below.